All right, what's up, everybody? It's me, your design teacher, and I'm sitting here with this drawing, which I created in class, just like you did, and got it up here behind me as well so that we can reference it. Let's see. Does this make it so we can read the. Okay, yeah, the numbers are now correct. So now that we have this drawing with the nice measurements, we can see, we got 150 millimeters across, and this little hole here is 5 millimeters and it's 10 millimeters wide. We know the size of each of those things. We can go into TinkerCAD and start to make this thing in 3D so that we can put it to the 3D printer. So here we are. TinkerCAD. This drawing is going to be all rectangles. So we'll just grab this rectangle right here and drag it in. Now I'm going to start out with the base shape, which is this big long rectangle here. So it needs to be 150 millimeters wide and 15 millimeters long. I guess I didn't add that on this, but since I drew it, I know. So I'm gonna click on here. This is gonna give me these dimensions. This one's gonna be 150, and this one is 15. Now, what is not defined on my picture is the width. You're gonna have to kind of decide on this. I'm gonna try some different things. What if this was half a centimeter? So this would be 5 millimeters wide. How does that look? That actually looks good to me. Um, I'm going to go with that. Yes, I'm going to go with that. Remember, what we're looking at here is the actual size of the tool. So if it looks like the right thickness, now that we've set those original boundaries, it probably is. Okay, so now I've got this main part. Now I'm going to add another rectangle that's 30 millimeters tall and only 3 millimeters wide. Let's see how that looks. So get this rectangle in here. Change the dimensions. So this one is the width. So this is just 3 millimeters, and this is 30. So it makes nice long, and I'm going to make the height the same as. Actually, I think I'm going to make the height, so 5. Now, I've got kind of a problem here because it's not attached, and I could try to move it exactly to be attached, but I might not get it exactly. So I'm going to use the tool called Align, and this is going to be so helpful. I select both and then use this Align tool right up here. Now, there's a lot of different ways I can align it. If I wanted them to be centered, I could click that button. If I wanted them to be centered this way, I could click that one, but I don't want that. I'm going to undo those things. I want them to be aligned on this edge and on this edge. So that puts that exactly where I want it to be. Now I need to make a bunch of them. My drawing has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I could copy and paste and try to put them exactly how I want them, or I could use the duplicate tool.